Here it is. Something's uneven. Building the wheel wells. So I've measured out the length of the wheel well. I'm just trying to get a starting point for that, and then we're going to build the height after that. I measured how long the board will be, a 2x2, and then I measured the height of how high the wheel well will be. So we're gonna have 3 of these like this, and then smaller ones going up. It's easier to see it, so I'll show you. Okay, so we are going to make a little box around our wheel well. So to measure that out, we just took the measurement of the line here and cut it. And then we put it up top and measured from this point down to the ground. That's where this will come into play in the back. So we're going to have one of these on each side in the back. And then in the front, we're going to have 3 shorter ones that are going to go here, right in between the top piece, like that. And then we'll have ones along the side to hold it into a full box. So this will be our back piece. We'll make the front.
So we have found it a big help to clamp these pieces down so they don't move much, and it's working out pretty well. I'm sure that's a tactic that real woodworkers use, but something that we thought of, and we're happy with it. Looking good, better than the first box we built.
Alright, so we have the top and the 3 middle pieces. Now I just gotta put the bottom. Ta-da!
That's pretty good.
Want to hand me that other one? Now we just need to connect them here and here on each side, and then we'll put plywood to box it in.
Box it in.
Something's uneven.
That's fine. So right now Tara is precisely measuring out and making cuts for the sides of the wheel well. It's coming along, folks.